And we're here with Ruben Rodriguez, golf supervisor at Royal Isabela. Thank you for having us in this world-renowned golf course. Talk to us about the experience guests can enjoy here at Royal Isabela Golf Course.
It's very nice. The course is very beautiful. It's a beautiful view. Everybody is go happy because it's very nice golf course.
And you have a golf caddy program because the course is unmarked, right?
Yeah, that's true. The golf course right now is no market because it's very difficult course. Right now, I'm not gonna market the yardage and that, but that is the caddy, and the caddy is gonna help you for play too. That is mandatory in the caddy right here in Royal Isabela.
Which is great because you were telling me that it's kind of like a 50-50 ratio of golf aficionados and low handicaps that come here to enjoy the course.
Yeah, that's true. It's coming up people low handicap and high handicap too. But the golf course is not too much difficult, so it's very nice. The view is awesome, so it's coming here a good experience. It's very nice.
So even I could try it myself. I have a 0 handicap and I could enjoy it because it's all about the views, right?
Yeah, that's true. The view is awesome and everything is good. So everybody is coming to a good experience here in Royal Isabela.